This tutorial is going to show you how to add menu items. So we're going to go to the menu on the far left, and you're going to click or hover over Appearance, and then you're going to scroll down to the sub-menu and click on Menus. And right now, this is all the stuff on my menu. If I want to add any new pages that I've created, I'm going to need to check them off. So commercial doesn't exist over here, and automotive doesn't exist over there. So I'm going to check those two pages off if I'm ready to add them to my menu. And then I click Add to Menu right here underneath that. And they're going to show up below the existing contact list, or they're going to show up below the menu. They're going to be the last two. I'm going to hover over the menu item that I just added and that I want to add to the menu. I'm going to hover over the new menu options that I added in, and I'm going to place them where I want them to appear on the menu. So this is the order of the menu in which it appears on your page. And so the commercial page, if it was a regular page like one of these, I would put it directly flush left with these. But if I want it to be a sub-menu off of demos, because a commercial page is a sub-menu typically off of a demos menu, I would notch it over here to the side, and see now it says sub-menu. And if I click this little down arrow, I can name the page whatever I want to name it, as I want it to appear on the menu itself, on the navigation. So if I want it to be all caps, I could add it as all caps, click anywhere on here, and it's saved. So say I have a bunch of sub-menus, sub-items under commercial, like narration, radio imaging, and so on and so forth. And now I have automotive. I have a page that I've created that's automotive, and it's like a subgenre of a commercial. So the automotive page wouldn't go flush with this one. It would be a sub-menu that comes off of the commercial page. So when I look at my menu structure, these would be the ones that are seen when I hover over demos, commercial, and all the other ones below it that I mentioned would show up on that sub-menu. And then if I moused over, hovered over commercial, then my sub-menu for that would show up. And that's how you set where you want these menu items to appear. And again, you would just click on this arrow and change it to all caps if you wanted. And then once you're done setting up your menu the way you want it to, you click this Save Menu item over to the left, and then your menu will appear just how you have it set up here on your website.